Hey there, today we're going to look at another awesome keyboard shortcut you can use to up your Premiere Pro game. Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to look at a couple of super cool keyboard shortcut keys in Premiere Pro. And if this is something you're interested in, then you might want to click the link in the description below to find out more about our Adobe Video Creators Training and Support package. Anyway, enough about that. Let's get on with the video. Okay, so let's take a look at day one shortcut keys. Got a couple actually. One vital one in Premiere is the ability to take any panel to full screen. And for that we're going to be using the tilde key, which is just below the escape key on your keyboard. Whether you're on a Mac or PC, it's the same key. And the way it works is we hover over one of the panels that we want to make full screen, and you can then press the tilde key and it will take it to full screen. So for example, now if I press the tilde key, you'll see it goes to full screen. Press it again and it goes back to its normal view. So we can do this on any panel. Really handy if we want to make the program monitor larger, for example, or if we want to focus in on the timeline and do some audio editing or something like that down here. Second useful keyboard shortcut for today is working with the timeline, how we can zoom in and out on the timeline. So hotkeys for that are the plus and the minus keys. Actually, technically, it's really the minus and the equals key on your keyboard. So not on a numerical keypad, but on the actual main keyboard. Wow, so there you have it. Have fun experimenting with making those panels big and zooming on the timeline. Remember to like and subscribe to get more content creation related tutorials, and feel free to click the link in the description below to find out more about our Adobe Video Creators Training and Support package. Enjoy, and I'll see you on the next one.